but it is 4 a.m. Woke up at like 3:20 because me and my bestie, Callie, if you can see her, are going to Glacier for the day. I am so excited. I've never been to East Glacier, and that's where we're going. We were able to snag last-minute reservations for the shuttle last night because they're doing construction, so you need a shuttle to get to Many Glacier and to the hike where we're going. So we got super lucky, but I'm so happy because this hike has been on my bucket list since I moved to Montana, and it's Grinnell Glacier, and I'm just so excited. So come along with us. Shuttle with 10 minutes to spare. We're getting ready. Callie, what are you most excited for today?
Glacier.
Yes. She's done the Grinnell Lake before, but we're going all the way past the lake to Grinnell Glacier. So we're excited. We're seeing both. Stop. Coffee. Oh, I smell food. We're about to start our little trek. The shuttle was honestly great, so easy. I read online to park at the first shuttle pickup because if you park at the last, they might not have room for you, so you have to wait for the next one. So highly recommend doing that. And I would sit on the left side of the shuttle because it had better views. But if you want the sign, a snapshot of the, welcome to Glacier sign, sit on the right. Videos and photos never do Glacier justice. Like the purple leaves up there, blues. Oh, I love it here. Wind's starting to pick up and it's looking a little stormy. It's okay. Makes for an adventure. Frequent bears. So far, we haven't seen any. We're headed to the glacier, which is right under that big thing of snow. We made it! Look at this view. The first views of Grinnell Glacier. Unreal. Look at that water. And that snow, it's like such a blue little tint. Like, who knows how old that is? That's insane. Yes, this is beautiful, but honestly, it's even more stunning in person. This color blue is just insane. Best snacks and seltzers are ones enjoyed next to a glacier. Came, we saw, enjoyed the glacier. Now we're gonna head to Grinnell Lake, which the water from this glacier feeds into it, and it's that beautiful Gatorade blue. Callie, what was your favorite part of the glacier?
I like seeing the little
Oh yeah, little ice chunks.
Drinking out of the life straw.
Yes, yes.
What's yours?
My favorite part. I think my favorite part, not only the life straw clip because that was hilarious, but I think just like sitting and enjoying snacks and looking at the views because it's just like breathtaking. And knowing that the next time I come here, like who knows when that will be, but it will probably look so different. So taking it all in. Apparently there's mountain goats, so there's a traffic jam. Finally some wildlife. It is starting to rain as we make our way to Glacier Lake. So for the sake of my camera, I think I'm gonna put you guys away for now and bring you back out when you're not gonna get wet. We made it to the lake, not so dry, but it is so pretty. It's as pretty as it looks from above. All you guys missed was a really cool bridge. Overall, the hike was covered by trees, so maybe I'll show you the bridge on the way back. But for now, I think I'm gonna take a quick dip. I'm chickening out on the cold plunge. It's too cold. My feet are numb. But these views! Although I was a wimp on the cold plunge, honestly, it felt so good on my feet. 10 out of 10 way to end the day at Many Glacier. This is the bridge I was talking about. Callie has one tip for this hike. Callie, what's your tip about the pit toilets?
Pit toilets are awful.
They will give you nightmares. Do not use them.
1,000 out of 10. Gross.
If you do any of these trails, you'll see these little berry bushes all along it. They're called service berries. And yes, you can eat them. Another berry you could eat if you're lucky to find them, Montana Gold right here. Huckleberries. All right, last tip I think of the day. If you want to start your day at Grinnell Lake, go to the left when you get to the sign. If you want to start your day at Grinnell Glacier, go to the right over the bridge when you get to the sign. We're back in East Glacier now, and over there is where we were all day. So now you guys get to see Glacier in the daytime. We came up this way earlier this morning, but it was all dark. I think that does it for our day trip to Glacier. I will say people might think I'm crazy, like we're crazy for doing a day trip, but when you live in Montana, you gotta take advantage of all the beauty. It only took us, we left, I don't know, around 3:30. We left from Flathead, so that was like 3 hours. So that leaving from Flathead and sleeping there last night cut off an hour and a half. So if you were to leave from Missoula, it would probably take you 5 hours. That's if you drive through going to the Sun Road super early before there's all this traffic. To get over to Many Glacier. And again, this year they are right now doing reservations for hiking for their shuttle. Luckily, Callie figured that out last night and we were able to snatch a shuttle reservation at 7 p.m. when they launched some extra ones, which was amazing because I did not plan for that. But yeah, if you really want to do a day trip to Glacier from Missoula or Flathead, you can make it happen. And let me tell you, it's always worth that early wake-up call because the views were just amazing. Well, if you enjoyed this video and want to see some more, subscribe.